Hello friends, welcome to Max Jig. So I hope you all be fine today. So today we are going to see. Hello friends, welcome to Max Jig. I hope you all be fine today. Today we are going to see one such an important lecture. Got it? In fact, lots of students are lag in these type of topics, such as basic algebraic formulas. Got it? So I like to share this topic before you. So only I have took this topic today. So basically, the algebraic formulas is applied in various fields such as trigonometry, mensuration, and even for advanced level mathematics too. Apart from that, these are the basic formulas we need to study, and it is applicable to competitive examination as well as from grade 10 to universities level examination, not only in India and also for abroad students also. These formulas might be helpful to you. So by the way, with that nice hope, I took this formula as a separate topic to teach before you. Okay, let's move on to the formula. We shall start the formula. So the first formula, so here there are totally comprised of 13 formulas. So now we start with the basic algebraic identity is an a plus b the whole square. The a plus b the whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the other form of a plus b the whole square is nothing but minus a minus b the whole square. So if we replace a plus b the whole square, we can also rewrite as minus a minus b the whole square. Okay, I hope you have doubt from this topic. For these clarifications, for these doubts and queries, we can consider them with following numbers. For example, a plus b the whole square, got it? Which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, they have given. So let's consider which is also equal to minus a minus b the whole square. So I have considered the two numbers, that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Got it? So we can check over that whether they are equal or not. Got it? So a plus b the whole square means here now I want to replace a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So 5 plus 3 the whole square. I want to replace with the relevant formula 5 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 5 into 3. So we can find them. 5 square means 25 plus 3 square 9 plus 2 into 5, that 2 into 5 10, 10 3 is 30. So by the way, the addition of these numbers we can obtain the result. What is the result? 25 plus 9 which is equal to 34, and 34 plus 30 is nothing but 64. So we can also find them easy by what is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. The 8 square, which is also 64. So by the way, we can also use these formulas. So let's check over minus a minus b the whole square. So minus a minus b the whole square means let's replace a is equal to minus 5 and replace b is equal to minus 3. So we can obtain the relevant, we can replace these values in the relevant formula. So minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square. Got it? So we can replace them by 2 into minus a minus 5 and minus 3. So I have already you have already know that negative term coming to the square will become a positive because of minus 5 into minus 5, it's become plus 25. So minus 3 into minus 3 will become plus 9. So minus into minus will become positive. So positive 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Got it? So 25 plus, minus into minus will become negative, positive. So minus into minus will become positive. So 9 plus 30. Obviously, the same result is obtained here, setting but 64. Right. Okay. So these are the values. I'm just using the formula to have a clarification before it. Okay. Okay. The next formula is nothing but a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square, the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the one difference is, the one similarity is a square, a square, both are positive. And also in a minus b the whole square, a square, b square, both are positive. The one main difference is here the plus 2ab and here is minus 2ab. That's the only thing. Got it? Next, we move over to a plus b into a minus b. Got it? A plus b into a minus b. What is the a plus b into a minus b? It's nothing but a square minus b square. So we have to check the formula 2 also and the formula 3 also. So we can consider the relevant numbers and we can move over. Okay? We can consider relevant numbers and move over. So let's consider the formula a minus b the whole square equal to, the formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what is the thing, but here we can replace a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So we can simply find them, just not from the formula. We can use the easy as well as the manual calculations too. So 5 minus 3 the whole square, which is nothing but 5 minus 3 means 2. The 2 square, which is nothing but 4, because the 2 into 2 will become a 4. By the way, we can replace with the relevant formula 5 minus 3 the whole square. So 5 minus 3 the whole square is nothing but 5 square plus 3 square, because here the b is positive, and minus 2 into 5 into 3. So we have to check over that whether we obtain the result 4 or not, because simply verified the answer is 4. So with the help of formula we need to obtain the same result, which is nothing but 4. So while obtaining that, we can obtain the final result, and it's the successful formula also. So 5 square 25 and 3 square 9 and minus 2 into 5 into 3, which is become 2 5s are 30, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Got it? So 25 plus 9 will become 34. 34 minus 30, which is equal to 4. I hope you got it. Okay. So the A minus B the whole square formula is verified. So next formula is something but a plus b to a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So how can we derive this? I mean a plus b to a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So we can replace, we can write them a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we can replace the value. It's nothing but a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Consider the same value, because we need to consider, instead of letters, with the help of numerical examples, we can easily understand the formulas and various concepts also. So we can replace them, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. And here we need to replace a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Just obtain the value. Do the manual calculation of easy tricks, and then we move over to the formula. What is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. And what is 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is 2. So 8 twos are obviously the product of the two number is 16. Got it? So by the way, we can move over to the formula. The 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3. Got it? So 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3. It's nothing but 5 square minus 3 square. So 5 square minus 3 square means 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So by the way, the manual calculation is also right, and the help of the identity and nothing but the formula is also right. Okay. Okay. So we have completed the three formulas. So finally we can move over to the fourth formula, which is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square. So here we can obtain easily we can easily study one formula. If you study this fourth formula means we can easily study other formulas, which is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These formulas are easily derivable from one another. So the fundamental formula is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So the major difference between the fourth and fifth is here a is positive and here a is positive, b is positive, b is positive, and here c is positive and here c is negative. So the one change we need to do that, what the product of the term c comes over that, we can replace them as negative. So if you have doubt, what about the c square? The minus c and into minus c will become plus c square. So only here a square plus b square plus c square, in these terms we don't bother about the sign. So when we multiply into twice, it's nothing but If we square the negative numbers, will become positive. It's a nice example for this. So whatever may be, here c is negative, so minus into minus will become positive c square. Here b is negative, so minus into minus b become positive b square. Here a is negative, will become minus a into minus a will become positive a square. Got it? So the one major thing is here, see, my b is negative and c is negative, so become positive b square and positive c square. So don't need to bother about the first three terms, a square plus b square plus c square, because it's a square. So whatever may be the negative numbers or positive numbers, if you square the positive numbers, will become the positive result. If we square the negative numbers, will give the negative numbers. Let's consider an example. If we square 3 square, which I think that positive 3, will become 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. And if we consider minus 3 square, which is equal to minus 3 into minus 3, will become positive 9. That's all. So by the way, uh, these are the two tricks we have to keep it in mind while dealing with this formula. Okay, let's thorough with the formula and just apply any one of the formula to do that. Okay, so we can move over the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, I hope you understand from this step. I hope everyone you understand this. Okay, a plus b plus c the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Got it? So instead of this, all times the 2's are repeated. So we can do one thing, a plus b plus c the whole square. Better we can commonly took out 2 as outside. So instead of, we can replace them by ab plus bc plus c. That's all. Okay. Okay, let's consider the value. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Just add them. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. So what about the 9 square? 9 square, which is equal to 81. So this is the manual calculation. We can now, we want to apply into this formula. We can do all of that. Okay. So let's replace a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Got it? So just replace them and just apply over them. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into a into b means 2 into 3 into, or otherwise we can do better one thing. Let's take out 2 as common outside. What is ab? 2 into 3, so 6. What is bc? 3 into 4, so 12. What is ca? 2 into 4, I mean 8. Okay, just square them. So 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 2 into 6 plus 12, I mean 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 6 26. Got it? So what about this addition? 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 16 29. Got it? 2 into 56, I mean 2 into 26 will become 52. So just add these numbers, will obtain the result as 81. So this is the final answer we got obtained. So the result correlates with the simple calculation also, as well as the identical calculations also. Got it? So by the way, we can also verify. You can just replace the numbers for, uh, I mean, the fifth formula, as well as sixth, seventh, and eighth also. Okay, better I can do one thing for you. I can give you a trick to remember these formulas. I mean, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just apply the numbers and verify them. You just do one thing. You just do one thing. Just do the manual calculations, as well as obtain any arbitrary values of three numbers and just replace with this formula. You will obtain the definite. You can obtain the coincidence values of the manual calculations as well as the identical calculations also. So better we can do one thing. I will give a trick to remember these five formulas. So what are these five formulas? First, I will start with the origin formula. A plus b plus c the whole square. Okay. Okay. Next, a plus b minus c the whole square. Next, a minus b plus c the whole square. Next, minus a plus b plus c the whole square. Next, minus a minus b plus c the whole square. Just remember, these are the tricks we are going to do here. Okay, just keep it in mind. All these all five formulas, the one thing is similar: a square plus b square plus c square. So a square plus b square plus c square. So a square plus b square plus c square. Here a square plus b square plus c square. Here a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, better we can do one thing. We can commonly took out 2, so we can write them as plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 in all the sides. Got it? We can write as plus 2. So plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's all. Just open the bracket in all the terms. Okay, just to replace them as ab, bc, ca, ab, bc, ca, ab. I mean, 1 second. We can just leave a gap over there. Afterwards, we can write. Okay, 1 second. Okay, it's fine. 1 second. 1 second, please. Okay, okay, it's better. Okay, I want to leave just a gap before AB, because if any in any formulas the value of A is become negative, I want to place over that. No, okay. So AB, BC, CA. So AB, BC, CA. So AB, BC, CA. Okay. Now just replace uh, this sign. Okay. Okay, here A, B, C, three are positive. So all the terms are positive. So plus, plus. Here A positive, B positive, and C is negative. So be careful with the term where the C comes will become the negative. So A, B positive. So A, B positive, so positive. So the plus is hidden here. So what about BC? Here the C is negative. So B is positive. Plus into minus will become negative. So what about the last term A into C? Here A is positive and C is negative becomes minus. Next. Here A is positive, B is negative. So plus into minus, minus. So here B is negative, C is positive, minus into plus, minus. Here A is positive and C is positive, so it become plus. Next. Here A is negative, B is positive, will become minus. Here B is positive, C is positive, will become plus. Here A is negative and C is positive, will become minus. Here A is negative, B is negative. So minus into minus will become plus. That's the only special thing we need to note here. And here B is negative, C is positive, will become minus. And here A is negative and C is positive, will become minus. Okay, so these are the special formulas. Now we have to go over. Okay, and the final few formulas are left over. What about this a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube? Okay, so if we derive these formulas, I mean the 9 and 10, we can easily derive 11 as well as the 12. Got it? Okay, just look over that. What about the a plus b plus c the whole cube? Okay, I mean a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. Got it? A plus b the whole cube as well as a minus b the whole cube. So what about this formula? Okay, just look over that. The a plus b the whole cube is nothing but just replace them. Okay, just replace them. We need to do one thing. There are two things that are similar for these two formula. I mean a cube, b cube, 3ab, a gap b, a cube, b cube, 3ab, a gap b. Okay, So just replace the sign here. The sign is very, very important. So the A is positive, B is positive. So all the terms are positive. So plus, plus, plus. So A is positive, B is negative. So we can replace minus, minus, minus. That's all. The formula is over. Yeah, the formula is over. Just replace them. So if the A plus B the whole cube means all the terms are positive, and A minus B the whole cube means all the terms are negative. So from this formula, we can want to derive other two formula, which is nothing but A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B cube. So what about that? A cube plus B cube. So A cube plus B cube means A plus B the whole cube minus 3AB, and I hope this term will come here. Okay. Next term is A cube minus B cube, which is equal to minus 3AB will come to the right side. So A minus B the whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. Got it? So A cube plus B cube means A plus B the whole cube minus 3AB the A plus B. And A cube minus B cube means A minus B the whole cube plus 3AB. This, I think, I hope you understand. This term will come to that side. And this, the positive term will come to that side. That's all. Okay? Okay. The final formula, the final last but not least, it's an important formula, which is nothing but if the result given like that, A plus B plus C is equal to 0, we can obtain the result A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. So this is the final result. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Then obtain the result A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. Got it? So by this result, we can easily derive another result also. What about the result? It's nothing but A cube plus B cube plus C cube. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, which is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CD. Okay, let's look over that. So what's the result? If A plus B plus C is equal to 0. I'm talking about the initial result, which is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube, which is equal to 3ABC. After obtaining this condition, just move over 3ABC into the left side of the equal sign. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, which is equal to, what about the result? A plus B plus C. Got it? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Got it? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, and the quadratic term A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. So these are the basic formulas we need to keep it in mind. Okay. So totally there are 13 formulas left I have placed before you. So the formulas which has been displayed before you are basic for, I will repeat once again, it's important and for most important thing for grade 10 to higher level universities exams also. Even today, most of the engineering students have a lack in this formula, not only in trigonometry as well as inverse trigonometrical functions. These are the basic formulas they need to apply. Without the help of these formula, we can't survive in mathematics as well as physics and chemistry also. Even in physical chemistry, there are certain algebraic formulas need to be used. So if the calculation is too bit very tough, we can apply these formula and easily we can obtain the result. Not only in business math, not only in chemistry, physics, as well as in business mathematics, in applied statistics too, they have used. For economics also, they have applied these formulas and obtained the results. So by the way, I hope you understand this formula. So friends, if you have any doubts, please share with your comment box. You can ask me doubts at any time. And please try to join in live. So our channel has try to start a new initiative of becoming to broadcasting the live to all over the world. So by the way, you can ask me doubts at any time. Okay, you can send me doubts through comment box, and you can ask me doubt at any time. And please send this share this video to all your friends as well as your family members. Thank you. So friends, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.